pentru prima dată.
Gata, nu faci
La noi trebuie viz, mult viz.
Da, prima dată, da.
E specific, viz de mult, viz.
Da. Asta și eu.
So this talk covers what you need to think about and do before working at height. So the reason of all this is that working at height must be properly planned, because around half of all fatalities on construction sites are as a result of falls from height. There are many hazards. The first one is incorrect selection or use of access equipment for the task is just one of the biggest causes of falls from height. So basically, never use a piece of equipment just because it is all you have available. The next one, adverse weather conditions must be anticipated and suitable precautions must be taken. Just beware of wet, windy, or the icy weather. And the third one, too much material on the working platform can make access difficult or make the platform unstable. Another hazard, don't allow rubbish to accumulate. Maybe just lower some materials properly out of the tower, out of your way. Right, what you need to know before starting work at height. So all work at height must be avoided if it is possible. If work at height cannot be avoided, then a collective system to prevent falling, such as scaffolding or, for example, a mobile tower, should be used. The next one, all work at height must be carried out in accordance with safe system of work provided. The third one, the consequences of any fault should be minimized by using the appropriate self-landing systems, like net, or as a last resort, safety harness. Number 4, the correct work equipment that is suitable for the task must be provided. Also, you need to know that equipment provided must be inspected and maintained. So ensure you receive the correct information, training, and on a safe use of access equipment. Also, you need to ensure you have the right skills, the knowledge, training, and the experience for the job. Number 8, ladders and step ladders should only be used for some light work for some short duration, and where there is a low risk of falling. Fall protection, such as edge protection systems, barriers, and perimeter scaffolds should be installed to prevent the risk of materials just falling. And then access ladders must extend at least 1 meter above at the step point. They must be secure and they must be at the correct angle. It's about one unit up to 2, up to 75 degrees. We're just gonna cover a few points of safe working at roofs, and this is gonna be it. So fragile surfaces such as cement roof sheets and skylights must be identified. Measures should be taken to stop you from falling fragile surface. A safe system at work must be devised and implemented where the roof would otherwise be liable to collapse under the person's weight. So, what else we have here? If edge protection or a soft landing system is not used, it may be necessary to use a safety harness or some line yard. A secure designated anchorage point while in the training will be necessary for all of this. And the last one, safe means of access must be provided, such as some fixed ladder or some other means of temporary access. So for the last one, just my final advice would be just to work as slowly as you can, evaluate all the risks, and that should be good. So thank you, yeah?
Thank you very much.
Yes, thank you.